Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss why our GATE 2023 is going to be very different than our last previous GATE exams. If you focus from last few years, if I am talking about aerospace especially, then from 2007, if you will keep on analyzing the paper in detail with proper experience, then you will find out actually paper pattern was something like, if you were solving previous year question paper, then based on that you can collect a lot of ideas and you can you can go through that itself. Like, okay, if you are coming from 2007 and if you are solving all the previous year question paper with detailed solution, then whatever topics will come and whatever concepts you will learn from the those previous questions, then somewhat paper will be based on that thing. But from last few years, if you talk about 2021 and 2022, and according to that, if we will plan for 2023, then you will see a twist. Now questions are like being more conceptual. See, whenever someone is preparing for any kind of competitive exams, for example GATE itself, two questions will come very, like, it is mandatory. These questions, like, if we are a general human being, it's like not extraordinary, like as a general person, these two questions will appear in your mind. First question, what if I will not qualify the exam? Then what will I do? Okay, next question. Like, some people can think, I'm preparing hard and everything, like investing some money in coaching center or purchasing some few things and staying out of somewhere, and what if I will not qualify the exam? These kind of genuine questions are there. And now next question, like second question, when we plan, then how much we should prepare, from where are we going to prepare? Like the trust part, like which path should I follow to crack the exam? Any exam, especially I am talking for GATE aerospace exam, aerospace department. So these questions are very genuine questions. What if I will not qualify exam? What will happen? Many of you will not go for your campus program. Like, you will not practice aptitude questions and something. You will not sit into the campus selection board, and you will skip that part and you will go for the aerospace preparation. I mean GATE preparation. Many of you, some of you will leave some kind of job or something, and you will give complete 1 year of complete dedicated time for GATE preparation. Okay, so guys, when we are preparing for any kind of competitive exam, especially for GATE aerospace, then all these questions will appear in your mind. But you should not focus for these questions, because actually these questions are normal, they are genuine questions, but you should not distract yourself. You should not put yourself into some different type of mindset. Like it's like similar question. You can think that if someone is preparing for UPSC exam, okay, suppose someone is in your family is a good person. Good person means like your cousin or something, or your own brother, sister, or someone, like, and you know that if this person, like for that person, if this person will prepare very hard for UPSC exam with some coaching center or something, definitely this person is going to achieve something good, right? Same thing, that kind of trust you should have on yourself. And whatever negative questions are coming in your mind, I should not say negative questions, they are social questions, they are genuine questions. These type of questions will definitely come, like which coaching center I should trust, which study material I should trust, which advice I should trust. So for all these questions, first of all, I will tell you, if you are watching my videos properly, then no problem. Whatever GATE guidance I am giving you here, these kind of GATE guidance will help you a lot. And not only guidance point of view, in academic point of view, I have uploaded all the videos topic wise on my channel, on this channel, Concept Library. And I will suggest you spend some days on my channel, go through the complete thing, and if you like, then definitely you join my coaching center I run for GATE Aerospace. I am teaching from last many years I have given so many toppers and I have qualified GATE aerospace exams so many times. So about me, if you want to know more, you just go through the channel for a few days and you will come to know. Now, after these two questions, like how should I start preparation? This is one thing. And what if I will not qualify the exam? So see guys, there is no answer. What if you are going to not qualify if you are not going to qualify the exam? This is a very different question. Let it be just as a question. No need to give answer for this. Because if I'll ask the same question in opposite way, what if you are going to join IIT? I can give you different pressure. Do you have money to submit your fees into IIT? What if you got some 80 rank, 70 rank or 20 rank and now you are not having sufficient money? Like, I can give you different type of problems, right? Different type of pressures. So see guys, when you are talking to someone or when you are talking to yourself, definitely some kind of questions will appear in your mind. Those questions will distract you from your studies. I am not saying those questions are bad or negative. Those questions are genuine, but you are the only person who is thinking these kind of questions. So you have to come out of this this kind of thought process. Otherwise, for how long you will be thinking the same thing? If someone is preparing for UPSC exam, and if the person is thinking that what if I will not qualify, what this, that, then definitely you are not taking the first step. At least you take the first step. These questions are not for you. Leave these questions. Start preparing for 2023 again, or whenever you are watching this video. Okay. Now, when you are planning for 2023, then first thing, in what sense it is going to be very different than other, you should know that. This paper, GATE aerospace paper, if you analyze, you will find that now questions are not of that type. Topic is same, syllabus is same, but the variety of question, the type of question is not of that way, the way they were asking in 2007, 2008, 2009, right? That time was very different. Now, you just analyze last 2 years question paper, 2002 and 2022. You will find out, okay, they have introduced MSQ. Do you understand the intention behind introducing MSQ question? Why MSQ question is there? MSQ question is there to filter non-technical people. Non-technical people means everyone is aerospace engineer, aeronautical engineer. No, to filter those people who cannot, like, who is not having the complete idea about any topic. Okay, just an example. If someone remember that total pressure decreases across normal shock wave, someone remember, but they don't remember the static properties. Like static pressure will increase, Mach number will decrease, velocity will decrease, static temperature will increase, total temperature will be constant across normal shock wave. So I will frame a question. Which of the following property variation is correct out of these four? So I'll give you all the 4 options correct. But if someone is not having correct idea, then of course that person is not having complete idea about normal shock wave. So only to filter these kind of buddies in our aerospace society, in our aerospace industry, they have given MSQ. Now this topic what I told you, this is just an example. MSQ can be based on any topic. And you know, if 10 MSQs are there, roughly 15 to 20 marks. 20 marks means there are some MSQ of 1 mark also. It depends what kind of question they are asking. So those, like you can say, like 14 to 18 marks MSQs, 15 marks MSQs will be there. Now understand, if you don't have very clear concept about the particular topic, then you are going to lose these marks. Simply the 100 mark question paper, now it is 85 mark question paper for you, because you don't have very good grip. So what I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to take you where you should work on your very good concept. How will you know about concept? You study the trustworthy materials. If you are joining my coaching center, then I am responsible for your concept development. I will do that, and I'm doing that from several years. So students who are joining me, they are already well satisfied and they are doing very well in their exam. And now one thing, if you are not into any coaching center, or if you don't have plan to join my coaching center, and you are thinking that okay, with the help of self-study we can do this, guys, understand, with the help of self-study you can definitely do that, but you will take lot of time to analyze the subject, to analyze things like, okay, which book you have to study, how many pages, which topic you have to go into how much detail. To understand these things, either you will contact your teacher or your senior or someone. So best way, you be in contact with that kind of person who is already preparing for GATE Aerospace with the help of some coaching center. Okay, or else I have several types of 19 different courses for GATE Aerospace for 2023 programs. So contact me, meet me on WhatsApp, and let's explore, let's start your study. Okay, so 2023 will be different on what basis? First thing, conceptual questions will be coming there. Conceptual questions means your concept on a particular topic should be crystal clear. You should know everything. Either you don't know thing or you know everything. And if you are lucky, then only you'll be getting some MSQ type question, and the same option will be there what you know, and those options will not be there what you don't know. Okay, now some students are very good with numerical practice. They practice numerical very well and they can crack some kind of this thing. But their theory means the like layer by layer, step by step, the story is not clear. So for those students, seriously guys, you work on your concept, because if you can crack numericals, this is your advantage. But don't make anything as your low point. Study well. Now, one very special advice and very strong advice. Whenever you are preparing any subject, for example, if you are studying John D. Anderson for aerodynamics, then you have introduction to aerodynamics fundamentals and design and all. Like these 3-4 books are there from J. D. Anderson. So you don't have to study everything. So in this video, how will I tell you what are the pages you should study, what you should not study? So see, actually what happens, some of students, they will start with one type of topic or something. For example, someone is learning something from YouTube, so they will find a technical word and they will not be knowing about that word, so they will jump to Wikipedia or somewhere, and from there other links will be there, they will jump to that link. Then in that again they will find some technical word, and again they will jump to that word. Again they will be roaming on internet on behind new points. Okay, and all these things are definitely a good knowledge, but what kind of knowledge is helpful for GATE Aerospace exam? Who will guide you about this? So whatever is possible on this public platform, I am guiding you. And other than that, because I am running a coaching center, so I am already helping students through that coaching center. Okay, so now 2023 exam will be, it is not, see, any exam is, it's not like it is tough or easy. It is not like it is tough or easy. How much time you are having, that will decide, and what kind of sources you are having, that will decide. And apart from all these things, what kind of student you are, that will decide. Question paper will be tough or easy, because every year there will be one person who will be scoring 80 plus marks or roughly 80 marks in the GATE exam, and that person is going to be the topper. Okay, so how will you clear your concepts? Now this is up to you. How many hours you are going to sit and study, what kind of regularity you are going to maintain. You are regular type person or you are irregular type of person. For example, if you study 10 hours in every day, then it is really very good. If you study 10 hours one day and the remaining 2-3 days you will not study, like lot of things, these factors you have to take into account. Regularity is very important. And like I used to say, regularity means at least if you are not doing anything, at least 1 hour you find out for GATE Aerospace, until and unless there is no medical emergency. At least in busiest schedule, you find out 1 hour and turn your pages. If you cannot study anything new, at least revise the old pages. Okay, so 2023 will be different. GATE 2023 Aerospace will be different. Different in what sense? Quality of questions. Quality of questions are going to be different. Conceptual questions, MSQs, loaded, very conceptual MSQs. So, like where I'm trying to take you, whatever you're learning, you learn properly. Okay, and of course, if you are doing self-study, then do one thing. See, if you are under someone's guidance, then no problem, that person will take care of the particular thing. Like I take care of everything for my students. In same way, if you are under someone, then definitely those people will. But if you are into self-study mode, then you do one thing. Just an example, if you are learning normal shock wave through any book, just an example, you are learning normal shock wave from Anderson. So you learned that particular topic from Anderson also, from Radhakrishnan also, from Zucker also, and from any kind of fluid mechanics book where compressible flow is mentioned. Okay, so that you can have the complete idea. Because see, when someone is teaching you any topic, that time topic used to flow down, it used to be smooth and easy automatically. But when you are reading and learning the topic, then it depends on your efficiency in that particular time. For example, if there is 80 or 100 line mentioned in any paragraph, then it is not mandatory, it is not really mandatory that all the 18 or 100 lines you have grasped properly. Believe me, if you read 100 lines, then you will be getting some knowledge, and if you read that 100 line again, you will be further gaining some new knowledge. You read the 100 again, then again you will be getting some new points, and then you will say, okay man, I'm reading for this book, I'm reading this book for 3 times, and every time whenever I'm reading, I'm getting new things. So two different losses you are having here. First thing, time loss, and next thing, you are coming to know that your efficiency is not very good. It means you are lagging in efficiency. That is also one type of loss. So I'm not promoting any kind of coaching center. I'm not saying that coaching center is the only way to crack GATE exam. There are so many stories and people, they are cracking GATE exam by self-study, and they're getting really good rank, and they're into IITs also. Right? But like in general, what is suitable, like what is very good way, you have to find out your own. Okay, see, if you are doing very good in your university life, like your CGPA is good and you are good student, then no problem. Then by self-study, how much self-study is required? Like roughly 15 months. If you are going to do self-study, roughly 15 months you need. 15 months, 15 mahine you need. But if you are with any coaching center, then 6 to 9 months they will finish the syllabus and practice everything. So this will help you a lot. And if you are not able to solve any numerical, either from previous question paper, because solutions are already there are so many channels, they are doing solution. Actually, I don't upload my solution on my YouTube channel, but I'm planning to upload, because it's like when I explain something, I really explain that thing in very much detail. So I need some proper time to upload my previous year questions with detailed solution. So actually, I have dedicated timing, separate timing for my own students. When they will ask the doubt with previous year solution, I will explain them in class and after class when we have doubt session. But I'm planning to do that for YouTube as well. So if you are not able to solve any numerical, then meet someone, meet your senior for something, or you try yourself. And one more thing, you should know input limit, how much time you should give to a particular topic. It's like, for example, you are learning Mohr circle from last 20 days, still you are not able to solve all the numericals and still you are confused. Then leave Mohr circle from your life. No. You don't have to do PhD. So this part is very important. How much input you should do in a particular topic, so that you can balance the entire. You have to go through 100% syllabus. Okay, because you have sufficient time. This video, if you are watching before 2 months or 3 months of GATE exam, this is not helpful for you. Okay, so 2023 is going to be different. You have to be very conceptual. You learn the concept, you be behind the concept, and study the same concept from different books if you are doing self-study. Make the concept in your own way. And to check the concept, go through topic-wise test series. I'm having topic-wise test series. If you are my student, then don't worry, already you have access. If you are not my student, then you can take topic-wise, subject-wise, chapter-wise, all types of full-length test series, everything. And those test series are having detailed solution as well. So it will help you a lot. And all the test series I have rectified properly. There is no error in the test series, in the questions, in the solutions. And for tough questions, I have given video solution also. I want to talk more about 2023, but because whenever you are watching the video, some few points you are able to take down, like, okay, this point is good, this point is good, this point is good. So in same way, one last thing, then after that I'll stop the video. See here, when you will prepare for 2023 exam, then you should set a last limit. Last limit means this is my deadline at this point I should finish my preparation, and after that I should go for revision purpose. Mostly what happens, self-study students, they don't know like when are they going to finish their syllabus, because they don't know how to study and from where to study. So you should have your last limit, like, okay, this is the dead end for my preparation. After that I will only revise whatever is in my notebook. So like as a coaching center, my deadline used to be October mid. Okay, October mid will be my deadline. I will finish everything, and after October mid, we all will put together, and revision will, like, I'll be taking revision classes, I'll be taking crash course classes, I'll be taking different like test series classes, doubt session classes, formula revision classes, everything. So I know like how I'm going to pursue for 2023. In same way, self-study students, you guys also make your deadline. Okay. And one more thing, if you want to share your struggle story or your success story with me on my channel, so that other students can be motivated after seeing your story, then you can contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you so much.